Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to another video. Today is Friday. Finally, the weekend is here, and I hope everyone's gonna have a good weekend, have plans. Are you gonna go to the movies? Are you gonna have dinner with family? What are your plans for the weekend? Are you gonna go out to a club or dancing or something? I don't know. But we're pretty much gonna stay home. We used to do all that stuff. My husband used to go bowling. I never liked bowling. I liked roller skating. That was my deal. I loved roller skating. But there's no roller rink around here anymore, so that's a bummer. I guess there used to be a bowling alley in Lincoln. There used to be a pool hall in Lincoln, but that burned down. Boys, oh boys, I'm telling you what. So I'm over here on the river road. It is 38 degrees this morning. It ain't too bad. It's not windy, which is good. And if you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Cindy. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I do a lot of nature walks. I walk for my wellness around town. I'm going down this river road because it is sunny out this morning, and I'm hoping to see those deer that are always down here. This right here is the river. This is the Piscataquis River right here, and it runs over there to the Penobscot. It's really pretty. The sun is bright. It's gorgeous. Everything, all the trees are, it's late fall. Late fall. So, comment down below, what are you planning on doing? Where are you planning on going for Thanksgiving? Like, are you planning on going to your parents' house? Are you gonna have Friendsgiving? Are you gonna have a bunch of people over? What's the tea? We are gonna have a bunch of people over. A bunch of family members. I think it's gonna be like 8 to 10 people coming over in our little house. It's all right, we make it work though. Yeah, we have fun. Man, I'll tell you one thing, the turkeys are freaking expensive nowadays, let me tell you. We went over to Sam's Club, and I go, oh look, they have turkeys over here. I said, let's get a turkey. I mean, it was a ginormous turkey too. Yo, they wanted like $50 for that. And that was the small one. I was like, what? I was like, you gotta be kidding me. One year we got spiked eggnog, you know what I mean, like with alcohol in it and stuff. Oh man, that had some alcohol in it, let me tell you. I had to buy eggnog, you know, like plain eggnog, and like dilute it a little. Whoa, that had like bourbon in it and the whole nine. I was like, everybody was drunk and stuff. I hear birds. It sounds like a finch or something. Do you hear him? I hope the camera picks him up. Yo, I have walked so much this last summer. My shoes are like all done. I'm telling you what, they are finished. There's like in between my sole of my sneaker and you know where the rubber is right there. There's a space in between there, and there's all kinds of rocks in between there. So every time I walk, you can hear it, like when I shake my foot, you can hear all the rocks jingling in there. These shoes had it. I don't want to get another pair until next summer, so yep. I'll get a little closer over here, so. Oh man, these trees right here. These trees are beautiful in the summertime. And we got, see the leaves are all raggedy now. Oh, they do look pretty in behind there though. I hear the geese are still over there. Where are they? Oh yeah, they're way over there. You hear them squawking? They're way over there. All right, I'll get back to you when I get a little closer to where I'm going. Bye. There's them geese. There's some over here. They're just chilling in the water. There's a big flock of them. And then there's more right there. They're on like there's like a little rock, some rocks. Looks like they're cleaning themselves. Getting there. I can't tell if they're just like cleaning themselves or they're just sitting there. Yep, those are the ducks. Little geese. I'm surprised they haven't flown yet down south. They stay up here for the longest time before they cruise down south for the winter. There's some that are moving. It's kind of neat. See you later. So I made it to the field. The sun is nice. Oh boy, we got a bus behind me. So I'm not gonna flip the camera around until they take off. But yeah, let's see what we can see down here. I think I'm gonna walk down there. What's that? I don't know. Oh, it's a leaf, for heaven's sakes. I don't see no animals down here. Excuse the beeping behind me. There's a bus, so I'm turning around because it's pretty much a dead-end road, so they have to turn around. But yeah, I'm gonna walk down here. I'll probably just walk to the end of this road and then back again. So, how is everyone doing? How is life treating you? I know it's hard. It's really hard. But try to stay positive. Go out and do at least one thing that you enjoy doing. I mean, being outside is free and it's uplifting. Go out for a walk. I know in some places down south it's not that cold. Up here in Maine, it's cold. But just go out for a walk. I mean, do something that makes you happy. That makes you uplifted for a little while anyway. Makes your day, at least. So, I don't see any animals down here. They're probably still in the woods. I'll probably go down here just a little bit and check it out. Oh man, I think we have to go to Lincoln today for a couple of groceries, and I think we got to pick up a prescription for somebody. And first I'll go down here. I'll go in the woods and stuff, but I'm just gonna walk down this road. This is a nice road. Ooh. So my husband has, check this out. My husband has a map. It's, what year was that map? It was like the 1850s or something. And he has this road. The map has this road, and it goes all the way through to Maxfield, a little town called Maxfield. And this was before the interstate, of course, but that's just so cool. Maybe I'll put like I'll see if I can convince him to let me take a picture of it and then put it on this. Like an add-on or something. That would be super cool. But notice I'm in here. Okay, so the springtime, I started coming down here, and it was like 5 o'clock in the morning. I was coming out in the spring, remember? When it's super early. And I'm like, I'm not coming down here. It's too early in the morning. And now I'm all like walking down in here, walking in the woods because it's lighter out. I'm gonna go this way a little bit. I'm not gonna go far. See? No hunting. Ooh, we got crunchy leaves. The interstate's like right there. There used to be beautiful leaves on that tree, on these trees. But that's the cycle of life. That's the cycle of life. It sucks, but that's the way it is. It's gorgeous here. I love it here. I'm being super bad. But, yeah. So I will... I said I wasn't going to go very far in here, and I'm going pretty far. This isn't a very, this isn't a very far path, so I'm doing it super quick. Hopefully everything will go well. What is that? Is that a rock? Yeah, that's a rock. What on earth? I'm gonna walk fast. All right, like and subscribe. Oh, we got a freaking cat. Look at this cat over here. It must be the neighbor's cat or something. He's looking over there. It must be a mouse over there or something. I don't know what he's looking at, but there must be something over there. See him look at me? I think it's the lady at the end of the road. I think it's her cat. It's awful cute. She told me the name too, and I can't remember his name. It's awful pretty. He's just sitting there looking at me. Bye, kitty. So, back over here in the field, I don't see any animals. So I'm walking back. We got a full day today, so I gotta get ready. I gotta edit this video, put it out, and then go to Lincoln, get the prescription, and then we'll see what the day takes me. We'll see. I hope everyone's having a great day. Great morning. And I hope you have a good day. See the birds. See them? Oh, aren't they cute? There's another one around here somewhere. Oh, there he is. That's the other one. I don't know what kind of birds they are, but they're awful cute. I'll walk around them. Yep. So I will let you go. Subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button. Hit the notification bell so that way whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification for my future uploads. And in the description down below is a link to all my social medias, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. Go follow me, like, share, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button, share this video, follow me on all my social medias, and I hope everyone has a lovely day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure.